Hey there parents, are you struggling with toddler mealtime? Well, you're not alone. I'm here to share some top tips to turn those chaotic dinners into pleasant family moments. First up, routine is your best friend. Try to serve meals and snacks at the same time every day. Toddlers thrive on predictability, believe me, it's like magic. It helps them know what to expect and can reduce their resistance to sitting down and eating. Now let's talk portions. Remember, toddlers have tiny tummies. Serve small amounts and let them ask for more if they're still hungry. This teaches them to listen to their bodies and prevents waste. Variety is key. Offer a range of foods from all the food groups. And yes, that does mean vegetables too. Make it fun. Try cutting veggies into fun shapes or use colorful plates. Don't forget to be patient. It's normal for toddlers to be picky. They might love something one day and refuse it the next. Keep offering a variety of foods without pressuring them to eat. Over time, their preferences might change. Include them in the process. Let them help with simple tasks like stirring or setting the table. When they feel involved, they're more likely to try new things. And finally, lead by example. Eat the same foods you want your toddler to eat. When they see you enjoying healthy foods, they'll be more inclined to give them a try. Remember, you're doing great. Mealtime can be a struggle, but with a bit of patience and these tips, you can turn it into a bonding experience. Keep at it, and happy eating. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more parenting tips. See you next time.